In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Steam mobile app. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get up and running in just a couple of minutes. First, head to the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Steam, then look for the official Steam app published by Valve. Checking the developer name and the familiar Steam logo helps you avoid unofficial copies. Tap it, then select Install. A strong internet connection and a little free storage space will make this go smoothly. If the download stalls, pausing and resuming usually fixes it. If you see an update button instead of install, that simply means the app is already on your device, and updating will refresh it to the latest version. Once installation finishes, tap Open to launch the Steam app. The first screen may show a brief welcome or prompt you about notifications. Notifications are optional, but they can be useful for security alerts and sign-in confirmations. Now you'll see the sign-in page. Enter your Steam username and your account password exactly as you created them. Both fields are case-sensitive and must match your account details. For privacy and security, make sure no one can see your screen while you type, and never share your password. If your keyboard suggests saving the password, choose what you're comfortable with. Saving can be convenient on your personal device, but avoid it on shared phones. After you submit your credentials, you may be asked to verify the sign-in, depending on the security you've set up. Steam can send a one-time code to your registered email, or it can use Steam Guard on another device where you're already signed in. If you receive an email, open it and find the verification code, then enter it in the app to confirm it's really you. These codes expire quickly, so use it right away and check your spam folder if it doesn't appear in your inbox. If you use Steam Guard on another device, open the Steam app on that device and look for the Steam Guard section. You'll see a time-based code that refreshes every few seconds. Type that code into the sign-in screen on your phone to complete verification. Keep your codes private and don't approve sign-ins you didn't initiate. That's it. Once the code is accepted, you're signed in to the Steam mobile app. From here, you can browse the store, manage your library, trade, or chat with friends. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Steam.